The dog who became a cricketer. In a sunny village, there was a cricket ground where kids played cricket. Then a golden retriever named Buddy sits wagging his tail. The ball rolls towards Buddy. He leaps, catches it in his mouth. The kids laugh and cheer. One day, during a match, Buddy made his first catch. It stunned everyone when he stopped the next ball with his paws, like a real fielder. Buddy then trained with the kids, chasing balls, diving, making catches, and from that day on, Buddy became the team's mascot, practicing every evening and playing with unmatched spirit. Then came the big game. A packed crowd watches. Buddy dives to stop a ball. The crowd erupts. He never bowled or batted, but Buddy's heart and joy made him a legend. He became the dog who became a cricketer. Buddy then proudly stands with the team, wagging his tail as the sun sets. Like and subscribe and follow for more awesome videos.